Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I apologize, I know I've been a little MIA on this channel lately, but just with this summer, both my boys are home, so we've been doing a lot of family activities and trying to get out and go places, and I haven't been creating as much content for my channel, but school starts this week, which means I have a little bit more free time to create content, so be sure to subscribe. Today, I'm going to be doing bath time beauty secrets. I love bath time, and I feel like you guys do too, and these are some easy ingredients that you probably have hanging out in your pantry. And I know that I love my bath bombs and bubble bath, but sometimes if you're in a pinch or you want to save a penny, you can literally just walk in your kitchen and find some great ingredients that are beneficial for your skin and great for bath time. With any at-home remedies or DIYs, you always want to keep in mind to just mention it to your doctor if you think that there's a concern, if you have sensitive skin, eczema, or if you have any health concerns. You want to always mention it to your doctor before trying any of these ideas. But my first tip would be to try salt. My personal favorite is Epsom salt, but you can use Himalayan pink salt. This is great for inflammation. You can use it as a foot soak, sore muscles, sprains, stiff joints, stress, even a sunburn. Epsom salt baths can be very relaxing and soothing, and although the benefits of a soak in Epsom salt treated water have not been scientifically proven, many people swear by this kind of folk remedy, and there's very little downside to using Epsom salts in baths. So I would highly recommend trying it out and seeing if you enjoy it as much as I do. The next ingredient that I would recommend that you can also add with Epsom salt or use by itself is apple cider vinegar. Now it is going to make your bath smell maybe not as good as a bubble bath or a bath bomb, but this can be really helpful with relieving sore muscles. It's believed to be beneficial for body odor, for dry skin, for acneic skin, so like acne on your back or any other parts of your body, joint pain. So yeah, you can fill a tub of warm, not hot water with about 1 to 2 cups of raw apple cider vinegar and stir it in the water, soak for 15 to 20 minutes. The next ingredient is honey. Now this goes back thousands of years. If you remember, Cleopatra used to bathe in fragrant milk and honey baths. And honey is really great for softening the skin and for smooth, supple skin. So all you need is about 1/4 cup. You can add it to your bath. Make sure to just mix it around in the bath. And then you can just soak for 10 to 15 minutes. And you can rinse your body in the shower afterwards if you want, but you don't have to. It's totally up to you. Another ingredient to add that you could mix with honey as well or by itself is oatmeal. Now what I did with my oatmeal is this is just ground oats that I would use, when I cook oatmeal on any day, but I went ahead and put it in a food processor just so that it's really, really fine. And then you can add that. That's just going to be easier on your drain rather than putting, whole oats in your bathtub. Oatmeal is another ingredient to help smooth and soften the skin. Also really great for irritated skin, so to treat a sunburn, and again, great to add with honey. Another ingredient is oil. Olive oil is really great to add to a bath, and with all of these you can kind of eyeball it. Personally, I do either 1/2 cup to 1/4 cup, just kind of depending on how big your bathtub is. Oil, again, is another ingredient great for softening and moisturizing the skin. And when you get out of the bath, you're going to have a little bit of a film of oil on your skin that you can kind of massage. And I'm all about the oil after bath time, but it's also really great to use during your bath. Another ingredient is tea, and you can take a tea bath. Tea is really great for soft, shiny hair, so if you just dunk your hair in the water, that's going to be really great for your hair. And we've done a few tea rinses on my channel. So it's good for the hair and the skin. It's great for anti-aging. It promotes healing of the skin. It soothes stressed skin, helps to balance the skin tone, helps repair sun damage, and promotes rejuvenation of your skin, helps fight free radicals on the skin surface. So tea, we know tea is really good to drink internally as well. It has benefits for your hair, but it also has believed benefits for your skin as well. So I say it doesn't hurt to try a bath, and I usually use between 2 to 4 tea bags, and you're gonna notice the color of the water just changes ever so slightly, but again, you can add more or less to your discretion. The next tip would be to add essential oils. And again, with any of these, you can add essential oils with Epsom salt, which I really like to do. My two favorites are black pepper and sweet orange. And I use these when I take baths for muscle aches or pain. But you can honestly add any essential oils that you like, because essential oils are great for bath time for the purpose of relaxation. And also, depending on the essential oil that you choose, it may have benefits for your skin as well and your overall health. So I personally love essential oils. I highly recommend doing your own research on essential oils and which ones are beneficial for you and your skin type and for your bath time. The next ingredient that I'm going to share is baking soda, which I know may be a little controversial since I know some people are sensitive to baking soda on their skin and they don't like baking soda in their deodorant. I personally do not have a sensitivity to baking soda. So baking soda in a bath is really beneficial for itchy skin if you are not sensitive to baking soda. So this is a great one to add with oatmeal for itchy skin, and yeah, you can add it to your bath in combination with oatmeal and it can help reduce itchy skin. Similar to tea, another great thing to add to bath time is various herbs. Now there's a bunch of different types of herbs such as lavender, my personal favorite chamomile. This is chamomile that I grew in my herb garden, and I currently don't have any chamomile right now because I harvested it, I dried it, and I turned it into tea, and I also use it for bath time. So I put that in a little tea bag and place it in the bath just like you would with any other tea bag. Chamomile is really great for bath time as well, really soothing, a great bath before bed. It's also very calming. Another one that you can mix with other ingredients, so a chamomile oatmeal bath, maybe a chamomile oatmeal honey bath, so that you get multiple benefits. And again, you can customize all of these ingredients or just use one or two of them. It's totally up to you. Depending on where you live, you may not be wanting to take a bath right now, but hopefully this video will be helpful to you in the coming months and as the weather starts to cool down for a few ideas that you can find in your pantry or your refrigerator for bath time. So I hope you enjoyed these ideas, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!